All right, so today we're working on a 2006 Dodge Power Wagon Ram. This is a gas job. We'll be installing this tailgate replacement camera and this Pioneer AVH 3500 NEX, and I'll show you what's going on inside the truck. All right, so as we would expect in this age of a truck, of course, somebody's been working in here. We've got a two-way radio in here. We've got a cell phone mount. I don't know what's going on inside the dash yet, so we're gonna tear this all down and see what's going on in behind. So I don't know how I didn't notice this at first, but upon closer inspection, you can see that the vents are actually missing from this factory radio bezel, which is not a good sign. It's usually indicative of maybe somebody not knowing what they're doing. So let's see how it looks. All right, so now that we're in here, we can actually see what's going on, and it's not pretty, but it's pretty much what I would expect from, you know, the types of places that do two-way radios and stuff like that. These are like accessory places and communication places. Anyways, so we have a harness. It's a C2R CHY4, which is okay. It's be the same module that I would use. But we've got a bunch of bullet connectors on there that looks like they've just been cut off, which is not what I would do, but that's okay. I think I can resurrect all this, no problem. And let's see what else we have in here. Looks like we had some sort of an FM mod. Don't really know why, so we'll remove that from the equation, or I guess we'll see where it's going first. It looks like it's... yeah, so I'll trace that. I gotta see where this is going and see what it's running. And yeah, so we'll see how it turns out. So I've traced the FM mod cable. Here it is right here. This probably was set up to run a satellite radio. I assume this went up onto the dash here at some point, and it used to run satellite radio. So we'll remove that and get back to cleaning it up. All right, so the head unit's done and everything that the customer provided is all working good. So the next task is removing this handle, which is clearly broken, and putting in the new handle with the camera in it. So I'll show you guys the deck here in a sec. All right, so new tailgate handle installed. Now we have a camera in there where we didn't have one before. And then of course in the truck, we have our newly installed Pioneer flip out screen. And then the whole point of this endeavor, now we have a backup camera on a vehicle that didn't have one before. So there we go. This job turned out really good, and we were actually able to utilize the customer's harness that he supplied. Much to my surprise, it was fine. There was nothing wrong with it. I was able to resurrect it, and yeah, so another happy customer out on the road.